start. I'd like everyone to stand up. And Mami, please do the prayer. Morning, everyone.
Good morning, Sir Dylan. Good morning, Ma'am.
Before you take your seat, I'd like everyone to please pick up those brushes in your surroundings and align your chairs properly. Align your chairs properly and sit properly. Not loudly, please. Thank you. Okay, so do we have any assignments left behind? Any activities, quizzes? None? Okay. Before we proceed to our topic for today, I'd like someone to please give me a recap of what happened last time. So what was our topic last time? Yes, Ben.
Software and
Software and maintenance. So what about software and maintenance? Any other hand? We have Heart.
Yung software maintenance process, yung process po ng pag-update or pag-ayos po ng software, kasama din po yung pag-add ng features, tapos pag-improve po ng system.
In short, to maintain our system software, to maintain the performance of our computer. Any other hand? What happened last time? Or why do we need to update our system software? Yes, Ishi.
Kailangan po natin i-update ang system software to address optimize at hindi po sa hardware para sa
Okay, very good. So I'm glad that you learned something from our past lessons. So a round of applause for everybody. Now that you have learned something from last lesson, we are now able to proceed to our new lesson. So before we proceed, I would assess you whether you have a prior knowledge about our topic for today. You understand? Question. Do you want to play?
Yes.
Do you want to play? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. If so, let's play a game. Game called Space Race. So now, instruction before we play this game. I will divide the class into two groups. You see the beam above us? This beam. On my left side, we have group 1. We have group 2 in my right side. Now, choose a representative for each group. Group 1 we have group 2. Please come forward. So now that you have a representative, you will now able to choose your spacecraft. Whether you will be a spaceship or you will be the alien. Which one? Which one? Alien ship. They are the aliens. So you will be the rocket ship. Okay. Now, the first person to get this star in from my hand gets to answer first. Understood? Now, if you got the correct answer, you will be able to move your spacecraft 2 steps forward. Understood? Now, if you got the wrong answer, the other team or the other group can steal the points or the answer. Now, as I said, each correct point is equivalent to 2 steps forward. The first one to reach another planet or the Mars wins the game. Okay? So again, the first one who can grab this star from my hand gets to answer first. Are you ready? Everyone, you can participate. You can tell the representative about the or the answer. Okay? Understood? Yes. Okay, let's play the game. First question. First one to grab the star. Go. We have Maki. Now, Maki, choose a number. Number 1. So, guess the picture. Look at the screen. What's the picture or what's in the picture? It's... You can ask your classmates. It's system unit or computer. Very good. A round of applause. You got to move forward. Move 2 steps forward. Oh, you are the legend. You are the legend, I mean. Okay. Use pa. Okay, another one. Come closer. First to grab the star. Go. Choose a number. Number 7. The star, please. Oh. Number 7. What's that? You can ask the classmate. 5, 4, 3. Folders. Is it a folder? It is computer folders. Very good. Ito lang. Yes. Let me adjust the volume first. Okay. Another round. First to get this start from my hand. Go. Pick a number. Number 6. What's that? 5, 4. Final answer. Recycle bin. Is it recycle bin? Yes. It is. 2 steps forward. What's that? 55 seconds. 5, 4. That's the answer. 3. What? Website. Is it a website? Yes. It is in fact an internet browser or website. Okay, very good. Group 1. A round of applause. Hey, another round. You ready? Go. Number 12. What's that? 5. answer, and the guess, we have Roxanne. Antivirus. Yes, antivirus. Any more? Raven.
Computer virus and antivirus.
Computer virus and antivirus. So that's the topic for today. But it is computer malware. So let's talk about the malware and antivirus. So by the end of this class, the students will be able to display. So you will be able to explain what is malicious software. Next, please read.
Discuss how malicious software affects computers.
So you will be able to discuss or tell how malicious software affects computers. Understood? Next.
How antivirus software works to protect computers from malware.
So how antivirus works? How it functions, the antivirus, to protect computers from malware or from virus. And last, so antivirus is not really important for computers. So let's see if it really is important. So before we proceed deeper to our topic, I will give you some important words that you will be encountering during our discussion. So the first word will be the malware. So what is a malware? Please read.
Malware, a short term for malicious software. It is a software developed by cyber criminals.
In fact, in short, malware is a short term for malicious software, and it is developed by cyber criminals. Next, okay, bakit? Virus or virus malware is present in computers and causes damage to the environment. So, computer virus is a type of what? It is a type of malware. So remember that a virus is a type of malware. Last we have Leah.
Antivirus, a software designed to detect and destroy computer viruses.
So in short, antivirus is a software. Remember that virus is a program or code developed by cyber criminals, and antivirus is what? A software used to detect, destroy the virus or malware, remember that, and to protect computers from malware, viruses. Okay. For you to better understand our lesson, I will show you a video that will help you unlock even more knowledge about our lesson. So before I flash the video, I have made a guide question that you will need to answer. Write this guide question on your notebook and answer it, okay? This will be very important in our lesson. First, can you see?
What is the video all about?
First, second question.
What is malware and how does it affect a computer system?
And last,
How does antivirus work to protect computer systems?
so again, kindly write down these questions and answer those questions after I present the video presentation. Let's watch the video presentation now.
Today, let's talk about computer virus and antivirus. But before we proceed deeper, let us talk about the what is a malware. A malware is short term for malicious software. A malware is a program or and there are several types of malicious software. First, we have virus.
Take a look
Once
there.
virus enter into its host, it will cause injection malware, or if you already have those, how do you remove these malware? Introducing antivirus to software in a part of our computer. A computer antivirus is a software designed to find and also to the malware. When a virus tries to use the computer, antivirus will detect it and notify the user that the virus is detected and must be removed. Once it is done, the virus it will no longer detect and notify until the antivirus is removed. And here is how of the antivirus software. We have Bitdefender, Altura, McAfee, APT, and more. And that's why some people malware antivirus.
You understand the video? Somehow, yes? Understand the video? Yes. Okay. Now that you have watched the video, let's try to answer this guide question. So for those who can see this material, I prepared you in my mouth. So first question, what was the video all about? Any answer?
Computer, malware, and antivirus.
Computer, malware, and antivirus. So our topic is malware and antivirus. Very good. Next question. Any more? Or anyone who can read and explain? None? Dia.
What is malware and how does it affect the computer system? Malware, also known as malicious software that harms the computer program.
Can you set up a big one?
Once po na-enter yung virus sa computer, nag-spread po siya, na-expect meron po yung ibang mga files, data, or programs na nag-run sa
So a malware is a malicious program or code developed by cyber criminals or malicious programmers. So how does it affect our computer? It infects and destroys data. Next question. Last question. Okay, yeah.
How does antivirus work to protect computer systems? Ano po, it destroys the files that is files or program na may virus, detected virus,
It destroys
files or
program that is affected by virus or malware. Remember that. Malware. It destroys any malicious files, program, or any program that is infected by malware or virus. It serves as a doctor. Remember this. It serves as a doctor and the guard of our computer. So later we will discuss about that. Now again, what was the video all about? What is our topic? Computer virus or malware and antivirus. So let's talk about first the malicious software or malware. What is a malware? Mega?
Malicious software or malware is an umbrella term that describes any malicious program or code that is harmful to computers.
Can you please explain it what you have learned? What you have learned?
Yung malicious software is program and nakaka-harm sa computer na
So a malicious software or a malware destroys our computer. It destroys our personal files, the system files, and even our computer itself. Remember that. So that is a malware. And there are different types of malware. So based on the video, we have read, and etc. There are many types of malware, but this following malware is the common malware that we can encounter during when you use a computer that is infected by malware. So we will will be focusing only on one type of malware, and that is virus. Very good. What is a virus? Can you read, someone?
Virus is a structured executable program that attacks the other programs in the system and spreads by replicating.
Next.
Such a program is designed to damage the victim's computer.
Next. Last one.
Coded by malicious programmers in a way that they can spread in the system without one's permission and knowledge.
So, based on what you have read, what is a computer virus? Based on your opinion, what is computer virus?
Computer virus po is yung nakakadamage sa data systems and files po ng computer na hindi po nalalaman agad ng mga gumagamit.
So, first of all, we have the keyword is destructive. You see that word, destructive. It is a destructive code or program that its primary goal is to destroy computers. So, computer virus has only one goal, and it is to destroy computers. It is made up by cyber criminals, very good, to spread. It can spread throughout all over your computer and pass it to another computer. So, based on the video earlier, a virus is similar to a biological virus. Remember that? A computer virus is similar to biological virus. Why? How? So, you see this illustration, a virus or a biological virus, once it enters the body, it will fuse to our DNA and RNA, and it will start to multiply or replicate itself. Now, that there are many viruses in our body, it will affect what? Our body system, such as nervous system, respiratory system, and other body system of ours. Got it? Now, it is similar or it resembles a computer virus. How? A computer virus, once it enters to the computer, it will affect what? Computer parts. So these are the important files that you needed to make your computer work. Understood? Yes. This computer virus can also be passed into another computer, similar to biological virus. The best example of biological virus is the coronavirus or COVID-19, right? A COVID-19 or the coronavirus, once it enters our body, it will damage our what? Respiratory system. Once it destroys our respiratory system, it will what? It will spread throughout our body. Very good. And it can be passed on to another person via touching or even indirect touching, right? Like coffee. Okay. So there are characteristics of virus. So based on the video, we have a finder. First, a virus will find its designated target, and once it reaches its target, it will start to replicate, just like in mathematics. Imagine, for example, this is a virus. Can you see? Lots of things. In mathematics, or if we replicate, what is replicating? To making a copy of itself or yourself. So it will make a copy of itself. We have virus 1 and then virus 2. Now they are 2. It will also replicate themselves. Now, the original virus can also replicate itself once again, and the replicate can replicate. Now we have 4. So in mathematics, original 1 times 2 is 2, or 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 2 is 4, and so on. That's how how the virus spreads or replicates itself. Now, how this virus affect our computer system? So, can you read? Someone read? All of it. Rog?
Virus affect the system. Computer corrupts a file, slow down computer, harm programs, delete virus files.
So, a virus can affect our file. First of all, it corrupts a file. Remember that delete and corrupt is a different term. Corrupt is to rewrite and delete is to remove. So it rewrites a file from its original purpose. Next, it slows down the computer due to system interference. Next, because it slows down our computer, the tendency would be it hangs frequently or it freezes frequently. You understood? Now, a virus can also delete a virus file. Example, System 32, which is very important to our computer. Once it deletes this System 32 file, you will not able to open your computer anymore. Understood? Okay. Now, where do we get those virus or malware? There are several sources of malware, in fact. We have another one.
CD or drive, email,
Okay. First source is CD or drive. Can you please give me an example of drive? Anyone? What is drive? Hard drive, flash drive, solid state drive. So that are the examples of drive, computer drive. CD or drive, as we may know, once this flash drive, for example, once this flash drive has a virus and we inserted it onto our computer, what will happen? The virus will spread to what? To the computer. So it will spread to our computer. Next, another source is from emails. An email that has an attachment, like for example, a malicious link or malicious files can be very dangerous. Example, once you click those malicious links, you will be directed onto malicious website. Malicious website contains adwares and spywares. Adwares is a type of malware which is you can acquire it via what? Adware. Ads. Advertisement. Okay? So adware can be acquired through ads. Very good. Okay. Spyware, where can we see this? You know the website that has been requiring you to sign up? Those websites will try to scam you or steal your identity. That is spyware. So spyware is scam virus. It is a scam virus. No more E. Now, back to the email. An email containing malicious files, once you download it, these downloaded files or malicious files can contain three things. We have virus, worms, and Trojan. All these types of malwares can be found on those malicious files. Understood? Now, how do we prevent having those malwares? Or if we have it, how can we remove those malwares? We will be using antivirus. Very good. Can you please read? Thea?
Antivirus software is designed to destroy.
So antivirus is what? Antivirus is a software antivirus? It's a software. Very good. It is a software used to protect our computers from malware. So these are the basic steps on downloading and using antivirus. We have, first of all, we need to download. Of course, it's not free. You have to buy it, but there are some antivirus software that has free option or free use. You say, you download it, and after you download it, just install it. Okay? After you install it, do a quick update so that the security system of this antivirus is up to date. Understood? Last, if you did a quick update, make sure to scan or perform a system scan. So what if the antivirus detected a virus? This is how antivirus works. Based on the video earlier, when a virus tries to enter to our computer with antivirus, again, if a virus or malware try to enter our computer, the first who will act is antivirus. Antivirus, very good. Now, the antivirus serves as the and the guard. So it will make sure that the virus will not enter and spread to what? To the computer. Very good. Once the antivirus detected the virus, what will happen? It will notify the user about the virus and it will try to remove the virus. Now what will happen if we try to remove the virus? The antivirus will quarantine and remove the virus. Quarantine to make sure it will not infect any more files. And once it detected the infected files, antivirus will remove those infected files. And now antivirus can now remove the original source. Got it? Yes. You understand? Yes. Now there are also several antivirus software which you can download free. First we have Bitdefender, we have Avira, McAfee, and APG. All of these antivirus is free and you can download it. Simple steps. You can download it, install it. Next. You do a quick update and perform a scan. Very good. Do you have any more questions? None. None? No more? Yes. Okay, now that you understand the lesson, and did you understand the lesson? Yes. You understand the lesson, and you have no more questions, I will now assess whether you understand it. So we will have an activity. So you will divide it into 4 groups. So before you start, I will give the instructions first. Okay? So, group yourself. Are you listening? Yes. Group yourself according to your ability and skills. So, if you can sing, you have 4 skills. Sing, write a poem, who can draw or plan, and who can act. Remember? Sing, poem, drawing, and acting. Now, for those who will act, who will be the group 1, present an interpretative act, or you will act on how antivirus works. Got it? Group 2, which is the poetry, Sabayang Pagbigkas. Present ay Sabayang Pagbigkas about the importance of antivirus in protecting our computer system. Next, for those who can draw or you can plan, make an infographic about the steps. So this will be the steps of removing malware or viruses from computer. And last group will sing. So present a short song of how antivirus. Remember that we are focusing on antivirus now. of how antivirus can pertain to real time. Understood?
Yes.
So, questions? Okay, now, let's discuss how to integrate them. We have here 5 grade point basics. We have 4 the lowest and 0 lowest. 4 highest and 4 lowest. Okay? Now, there are 3 categories. The completeness of task. If you did complete the task or what you have assigned to you, you will automatically gain 4 points. If you did application of, if you did apply the knowledge base, you will be having 4 points. And last time, delivery time. I will be allowing you a total of 2 minutes presentation. Can you?
Yes.
Okay. So you will be, I will be giving you a total of 5 minutes preparation time. Now, I won't be grading you. You will be grading others. Each group representative, so pick a representative. Okay? We will give a star to the group. So, what about those stars? I have here a scoreboard. Each group, example, group 4, you will be grading group 3. So, I'll give you group 1 will be grading group 3, group 3 to group 1, and group 2 to group 4, group 4 to group 2. Understood? You will be putting stars, depends on how they did or if they follow the rubrics or criteria. Now, if they did complete the task, as I said, give them a 4. If they did apply the knowledge they gained in our lesson, give them 4. And if they did perform it lower than 2 minutes, give them a 4. Understood? Okay, I will be posting it here. Now, group yourself now. For those who can sing, come here forward. Those who can act, those who can draw, and those who can write poem. Your timer starts now. More quietly. Okay. What is good? Start from. Then 4 minutes of preparation time only. And again, choose a representative per group.
Alina na.
What?
Ito na lang. Pero yan.
What's your concern? Concern? What?
Ma'am. Ganyan. Para si Pipi.
Last 3 minutes.
Si Maalas. Malaay.
Ito na.
Alas ka ng dami.
Forever.
Nakita mo forever mo.
Group representative. Time's up. Time's up. Take your seat. Representative, please come forward. Group representative from the group, come forward. The rest of you, please take your seat. Group representative. Now, I have here, take your seat first. Go with life. Take your seat and observe silence. Listen to me first, thank you. Which of you is the group 1? Group 1 and group 3. Group 3? And group 2, group 4, right? Now, I have here a mark. This will determine who will be presenting first. Now, group representative is three. Who got the one? Group 3. You will be the one for presenting first. Next, second presenter. Group 2. Next, third one. Group 4. And last is Group 1. Now, Group 3 is come forward. You need the space.
Kaya APG antivirus.
Got it? Round of applause. Hey, Come with your laptop. Next presenter. For 2 minutes. Starts now.
Good morning, sirs. Good morning, classmates. And good morning to our handsome and beautiful Miss Maya. We are the group 2 and we are tasked to do a poem. A poem about the importance of antivirus in protecting our in a digital world where dangers may loom, antivirus guards is spreading gloom. With a wide result that stands proud.
Round of applause. Very heartwarming. Next group. Okay, are you ready? For 2 minutes. Start now. Okay.
Panibagong problema ang ating kinakaharap. Pagpapap dito, pagpapap doon, naghahanap natin pag-advance. Antivirus ang aming tawag, tanggol di magpapadaig. Binabantayan mo ang aming sistema, nananatiling kustod, ligtas, antivirus. Tunay na buhay, pag-iingat ay napahalaga, antivirus. Kailangan ko mula sa mga malwares, antivirus. Makakasimulan, mamamatay, mapayapa, antivirus.
I think I heard that song. Very familiar. Last group. Are you ready? Yes. Oh, yeah. Your 2 minutes. Start now.
Good day, everyone. We in the group 1 are tasked to ask how antivirus remove viruses from software systems.
Malakas na virus. Pero i-clearance ang tao lang. Checklist.
No, you can see but someone's dead. Now, okay, take your seat. Group representative, please come forward. Group 3. Break group 1. Someone help her, please. Before, complete this. How about the application and delivery time? Diba? Help her. The application Ato talong. Ato talong. 12 points. Congratulations, Group 4. How about Group 4? Please raise Group 2. Would you like to face your classmates first?
11:30.
Number 4. Okay, eh? Mind your own business.
Sabi ko na, sa birthday nila, niliyan kami kami sa Hindi mo daw siguro. Pumunta ka, magbigay ng 3 lakhs.
Number 5.
Kaya sabi ko, may congress mo ako sa birthday niyo. Sabi niyo, malamang. 3 lakhs.
Done? Yes. Everyone done? Yes. Okay then, exchange papers. Right corrected by? Number 1. What's the answer? B. Hardware is the short term for? Software. Good. Number 2? C. Why? An antivirus. Very good. Number 3? B. Hardware. Why? It is a type of virus. Number 4? Because it's a software. And number 5? C. To invade computer system. Okay? Are you done? Who got 5? Wow, most of you. A round of applause for everyone. Seems like you learned from my lesson. Who got 4? Yeah. 3? 2? Lower than 2?
Assignment lang siya.
Very good. A round of applause again for everyone. So before you leave this class, I'll give you this following questions. You will write this on your notebook. So write your answer on your notebook. Again, on your notebook. So it is handwritten. What have you learned today? And also, as a student, how come this is important to you? And where can we apply this in real life? Understood? Done? Done copying? Okay? And then, also, on your notebook, write down the importance of antivirus in protecting our computer system. Again, on your notebook, handwritten. When's the deadline? Until next meeting. Next meeting is tomorrow, right? Any more questions? If none? None? Okay. If none, goodbye, class.
Goodbye, sir, teachers, and visitors.
Okay, thank you so much, Bonifacio. Salamat. Go back to your classroom. No?
Hindi ko na talaga.
Okay? Fix your things properly, please. Go back to your rooms, ha? Ayan, salamat na po. Ay, pag-ibig na tayo. Bukas masyado na lang. Tayo. Ma'am, sa aming and teachers, sa principal, maraming salamat po. Ma'am Loli, Ma'am Olgi, Ma'am Marlene, thank you. Ma'am, yun yan.
Oo, kakalikan. Kakalikan.
Walang tablet. Hindi, mapapakilala niya.
Maganda yung foods nyo.
Antivirus.